Hey guys, today we are gonna. This is too noisy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be opening some groceries. Shall we? Let's just do it. Let's just do it, guys. I'm not gonna show my face.
Elliot, more mango juice. And
Wow,
Elliot, food.
what is in there? Oh,
Mommy, I love this.
this is Bamba.
Bamba, my favorite.
I'll
Give
put
it to me. I'm gonna
that.
put it away in the closet.
Here.
I love.
What's in there?
I love.
More Bamba. I'm from Israel, guys.
So, Elliot,
What?
I'm from the isolate all by myself today.
And there's pasta. Yay! I love pasta. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, we'll be quiet. Sure. We are taking these tissues in the bathroom. Wait, guys, just one more minute. Okay. I'll put these here. Okay, guys, we're gonna open this box with a knife. I'm so excited, guys. We're gonna use this knife, and we're gonna cut this box.
The stuff's so ready.
Man, can you open this box for me? Thanks.
Nope.
Here, let me cut it.
Cut it. You are good at cutting.
Oh my goodness, my camera. Oh dear. Oh, 1 minute, guys. This is gonna take a while. Okay, it's almost open, guys. We just need to unwrap this.
Yeah, that guy is so awesome. Good. And I will get the stuff out so it can be nice.
Okay. Hey, look what there is. Milk.
Milk?
I love milk. I love milk. I just
Put
like
them
it.
back.
I just like it, guys. There's nothing wrong I could say about it. Hey guys, we got soft butter for the popcorn. Does anyone like popcorn? Tell me in the comments down below. There's chicken. Yummy.
Away because today I'm a big girl to throw away the ice.
Oh. What are you looking, guys? Hey, pizza, I love pizza. Is there anything more we need to open?
One more big box.
Where? Oh, it's right there. It's right there, over here. Over here, guys. You can see it.
Can I pick out the stuff?
Watermelon.
Please stop interrupting. Can you please stop interrupting?
That's a little heavy.
Oh, there's sauce. I like sauce.
Oh,
Here.
here's more sauce.
I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
Actually,
Right over here.
since it's not open yet, we can put it over.
Yeah, we've got ketchup. I like ketchup. I like ketchup.
What? You don't.
Okay, guys, I think that's it. This is the end of the video. So, bye.